Hello YouTube. This video is going to be about how my dogs do tricks. Hey! Bingy! The first trick he's going to do is give me his paw. Paw! Good. Boy. Good! Second trick he's going to do is wrinkle. Rita! Ooh. 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 Mm, mm. The third trick he's going to do is get his toy from a high place. Here you go. Bingy. Okay. So his toy is going to be a rag. Yay! Okay, that's it for this edition. My dog do tricks. Bye.